All right, welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a look at the Soundcore by Anker Space Q45 wireless noise canceling headphones. All right, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Soundcore by Anker Space Q45s. I got these off Amazon on sale for $119 Canadian. I believe they're regularly $199. I've been eyeing these headphones for quite a while, just waiting for the right opportunity to purchase them, and I thought now's the time. So let's take a look at what we got here. Like I said, Soundcore by Anker Space Q45 noise canceled playtime extended. It says Hi Res Audio Wireless, Hi Res Audio, adaptive ANC, up to 98% noise reduction, and 50 hours playtime. On the side, it says incredible sound, loved by 20 million people. And on this side, it says strong targeted noise canceling via 3-stage noise canceling system that targets and blocks out noise from low, mid, and high range frequencies. Then here it says adaptive active noise canceling, 50-hour playtime, like I said before, high-res sound via double-layer diaphragm drivers, AI-enhanced calls via 2 mics. We're going to test that out later. Reduces noise by up to 98%, as I said earlier. Customizable transparency mode. You can download the app on the Play Store and App Store. And that's pretty much it. Let's open the box. All right, as you can see, it comes in a nice case. Let's see what else is in this box. Just looks like the manual and nothing else. All right, let's open up the case. It's pretty hard shelled too. Nice travel case. I'll definitely feel comfortable carrying around these headphones. All right, upon opening this case, I'm loving the look of these. They look better in person than they do on the images. Very, very nice. Let's just see what else is here. So they give you the USB-C to USB-A and 3.5 millimeter jacks in case you want to listen wired. All right, upon further inspection, I really like the look of these things. Very impressive. They look really modern. They feel, mid-weight, not too light, not too heavy. Doesn't feel cheap at all. The sponge is pretty good. My only problem with this is it feels like this is going to wear out eventually, which will be a sad time. This joint right here feels like it's metal, which is amazing because usually with the cheaper headsets, these are plastic right here and they tend to break immediately. All right, nice smooth adjustable headband. The sponge on the ear cups feel extremely soft. Very nice. Okay, so we have the USB connector here. Power. Looks like we have a light. Noise canceling button here. And on this one, we have the 3.5 millimeter jack, play and pause, volume up and down. As simple as it gets. We have Soundcore on each side, and we have the left and right labeling inside the ear cups. Let me do a quick fit test. So the fit test comes back A+. The sponge on the ears feels extremely comfortable. The clamping force isn't too tight, so it's not gripping my head like a vice grip. It's nice and comfortable. Now to connect to my phone to give it a sound quality test. And after the sound quality test, I'll give it the mic test. So give me a moment. All right, so I'm back with doing my tests. And I'm glad to report that the audio coming out of these headphones sound exceptional. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for sure. It could be a little bit louder, but other than that, the clarity, the distinction between the voices and bass is very clear. There's no muffled sound whatsoever. Bass is good. Highs are good. Mids are good. Going through the Soundcore app, adjusting the EQ makes it all even better. So sound quality, 9 out of 10. Again, I said the comfort was excellent. Feels very good on my head. I could wear it for hours, no problem. It looks really, really good. And now I will let you guys hear the mic test that I just ran. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, test 1 2, test 1 2. I am recording with the Soundcore by Anchor Q45 headphones. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a pass or is this trash? This is the Soundcore by Anchor Q45 wireless headsets. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Can I hold a good conversation with these? Can you hear me clear? Is everything good to go? Please let me know in the comments below. All right, so that's it. The Soundcore by Anchor Q45 wireless headset. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated, Isolated with Technology. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.